Does it come to life if you get it wet?
No!
No.
No. I need to come to Granddad's house right now before he even bedtime.
You're going to go to Granddad's house?
Hey,
Yes.
put him on a bus. I'll catch him.
Where is Granddad's house?
It's
Where
back
is
in
it?
Florida. A couple months ago, my dad came up to visit us.
Hello.
Did he freeze?
Yes.
No!
Oh, there
There
he
You
is.
he
froze
is.
up really bad. All I heard was so, and that was it.
All right. So, a couple months ago, my dad came up to visit us for a few days. And, hey, he's joining us here today. Hi.
Hi, I am leading you to the Chattanooga Alpaca farm with that map around the city. Hello.
Yep. So, one of the places that we went was to Rosie Mae's alpaca farm. They also have a coffee shop inside. So we went in and we got coffee, and then we bought some alpaca feed. Look at them.
Come on, go with me. Let's see if they want to eat.
Oh,
Hold
wow.
your hand like that, okay? They don't bite. Wanna try it? All right, hold your hand flat like that.
Flat. Make sure it's flat.
You gotta get closer to the chicken.
Flat, nice and flat.
Flat.
Oh!
It's gonna hurt you, buddy.
What'd you think of that, Dad?
Very interesting. I learned a lot about alpacas I didn't
And
know.
I fed the alpacas, and I got the cutest little alpaca. And right here.
There's one right here. Do you want to tell them, you guys, you and Granddad talk about what that is?
An alpaca. His name is Slay, my cute alpaca.
It's made with real alpaca wool, I guess it's called, or Dan. I don't know what it's called, but
Big alpaca.
And his
fur.
favorite thing to do with it is
If you-
pretend that it's spitting at you.
Yeah. So,
which is another thing we learned
guys,
about
it
alpacas.
is. Now, hold on. They warned us that if you hear the gurgle, do you want to do the gurgle? What does that
That's it.
mean?
It's gonna spit on you.
It's going to spit on you. So,
I got out of the way.
No, that's the one that he says.
I think it is.
hi.
Here, Bob.
Oh my goodness, you're so soft.
Hi.
Can I pet you?
That's what I want to do.
Here, why you feed I oh hello! Hi!
Hello. Right here.
Can I pet you? Violet. Can I pet you? Oh my goodness, you're so soft. Now you gonna come pet him? Did you feed them?
Yeah.
Little higher, little higher. Open your hand. Good job, baby.
Guys, I got a question. Be careful if you pour water on this, it'll smell like wet alpaca because it has real alpaca fur on it.
That's
Not
right.
a question, but very accurate.
I forgot that. Yes, don't get it wet.
Yeah.
Because
Worse
if you
than a
dump it in a
gremlin.
big sink with the water's on, it is smells like wet alpaca.
So if you get it wet, does it act like a gremlin?
The brown one?
Yeah. They come here.
Did you get spit on, Dad?
I did not. I don't think any of us did,
I
did
don't
we?
think any of us did. I think we all ran.
Yeah.
Well,
I think the funniest thing is watching Malcolm run when he heard the gurgle.
Yep.
hey, Granddad.
Even imagined gurgles.
So Granddad. Did you know when I closed my eyes, when that cicada fell on me, I felt like I got spitted at.
Yeah?
Yeah. The cicada, like, I went, I got spit at. Alpaca leg.
Very nice.
Another place that we went to was the top of Lookout Mountain. Wow. Wow. What do you think, Malcolm?
Good.
We went to the Chickamauga and Chattanooga National Military Park.
I have a park pass through Veterans Associations that we can get in all the national parks for free, and we can bring people with us as well. So that was easy.
I want to move this for a second. Now, a thing that they had a lot of at that trail was cannons. Can you see it?
See it? Cannons.
Cannons.
My favorite one.
And
Hooks down,
they
going
had-
down, going up.
Pretty cool, huh? Those are real. Yeah, those are real.
Can I shoot for real?
Boom.
Can I shoot for real?
Don't you? Oh, they could probably, yeah.
They had a lot of different cannons on display.
Alabama battery.
But we didn't get a chance to see the demonstration.
They do demonstrations up there, and they actually do like not a reenactment, but they show you how the rifles worked and things like that. We just didn't go to that part.
No, we missed that part.
They go good. Moving in. Okay. Look at that, not how far down that is. I think it is, but there might be a spot up here too. I don't know.
That was really cool. That was the first time we'd been to the top of Lookout Mountain. That part of it, like we'd done the incline railway, but that was the first time we'd done the actual trails over there. So that was really cool.
They were great trails.
That was cool. If you could keep Chris and Malcolm off the rocks.
Thank you, baby. I appreciate it. Is that what we're hunting for? What? Moths inside your pocket? Wow.
Still saw a lot of cool stuff though.
Yeah,
it was gorgeous up there.
they had a cute little museum. Oh, that's the rock right there. Oh, they have actual trails.
It had stuff to climb.
It had stuff to climb. It had really steep stairs.
Yeah.
I do remember that, yes.
And you could not even get home. It's so
I had to carry you up.
Why?
That's the one I set out when you guys went on that long, deep trail. I said, I'll just sit here and wait for you.
I don't know.
This is the last flight right here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
That there is the car. The trail sure is.
Whoa, indeed. How did you get up there? Babe. Yes, I'm gonna go with yes.
Oh yeah.
Because it's a steep drop off.
All right, you gotta let me try.
No, you're not. The trail was wet when we went, so we didn't make it very far. Yes, baby. There were a lot of rocks, like you said, that Chris and Mal were climbing on. And just admire the view.
Yes, indeed.
Oh my goodness, and all the wildlife. How many snakes did we see?
I think it was the same snake. It just kept going down the
Down the
cliff.
mountain. So as farther down the trail we saw the same snake.
Dropping his head down, you might as well catch that.
I got it.
Haha! I didn't even know he would find a snake.
Me neither.
Well, that was cool.
And as we were leaving, we came across a ton of butterflies. I see it's got its tongue out. What is its tongue called, Dana?
I don't know.
Did you learn all about butterflies?
Proboscis.
They were just kind of like gathered.
One of them was drinking my pollen on my finger.
What?
How was it drinking if I didn't have pollen in my finger?
It was checking. Apparently,
It was just finding out.
you
Yep.
tasted good.
Trying to drink me? Why is it trying to drink me?
It thinks you tasted it.
Give you.
No, it doesn't want to rock, Malcolm.
Haha!
Worried for a second there.
Whoa!
They landed on us, which was really cool.
Ooh, hello! Hello!
Bye-bye, butterflies.
Butterflies.
After we finished at the park, there was a gift shop that we went into, and that is where Dad and Mal found this. And I think you also got a coin from there. Am I wrong? Did you
That
guys?
sounds
No, I think we got him a coin too.
I think I put it in my coin basket in my tool thing. I can go get it.
No, I don't want to search for it.
Okay.
And then another place we went was Falling Water Falls.
Mom was terrified the whole time.
Oh my goodness, was I terrified.
I remember the view, and both of us, Chris and I both wanted to get to the very edge, and you were too busy holding Malcolm like you were like he was gonna do a bungee jump or something.
It's because it's a sheer drop and there's no railing. There was a sheer drop. I was laying down to look over the edge. Chris was sitting over the edge. I don't know if it gets more water than that or not, but
Probably in a good rainstorm.
yeah.
But they had a good swimming hole there too. It looked like a place I would, if I were living where you are, I'd be going swimming there.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We took off our shoes and we stepped in. We couldn't find a way down to the bottom of the falls. And apparently
If we read it correctly, there's no way down because it's all private property at the bottom,
Yeah.
if I remember correctly.
Yeah, I remember we were trying to look it up and it was like all private property.
We were floating sticks over the edge.
Mm-hmm.
Remember that, Mal?
Ooh. Yeah. I went there and then I put them in the pond. Then it was moving the stick until it got to waterfall and then it went.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That's right.
Yep.
Now I think.
What did you think of the waterfall?
It was gorgeous.
And
I could sit on that ledge all day.
I know.
And I could just slide down the waterfall and get my leg plants wet.
No, don't slide down the waterfall. Don't do that.
Nope.
No.
Later on, when I teach him to rappel, him and I'll go rappelling down there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I can get my butt wet on that waterfall.
You can sit in the little pool at the top.
Get my butt wet. What's going on?
Did we do anything else?
Some of the stuff you guys have done a lot of, like go to the aquarium, that was pretty interesting for me being the first time there. It's pretty amazing, especially watching the guy clean the tanks in the scuba suit.
What else did we do?
I don't know. Look at your list.
I did look at my list. We've talked about everything.
Hey Mel, tell us again.
David, it's intergalactic. It's not intergalactic. Type of Beastie Boys, but David Bowie thinks it. He screams like, "Eat the bubble!"
Volume.
Oh, that's a game picture. That's a card game picture.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
See you later, Knucklehead.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye!
Subscribe. I woke up in the middle of the night last night because I'm like, I forgot to add something to the Dollywood video. And I was
Uh-oh.
like so paranoid that, because I'd already posted it.
Where'd you guys find that kid?
Sit up, baby, so he can
We
see
got him
you.
on the street.
So can I get you to kind of sit on your feet, baby, so that he can see you? Hey, baby, can you sit on your feet again so Granddad can see you? Can you sit on your feet again? You got it? That's why I always kept saying you have to sit on your feet, baby, so he can see.
I see. I keep seeing the top of Mal's head. That's about it.
Did you just call me Mel?
What was that?
Did you just call me Mel Granddad?